Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make the best souffle pancakes. Whisk egg whites to stiff peaks, fold them gently into the batter, and cook on low heat with a lid for steam. Use a ring mold for tall edges and flip briefly to finish the top without deflating. Keep batter slightly thick, not runny, and rest it for a few minutes before scooping to preserve air and height. Measure ingredients precisely and use fresh items for consistent results and flavor. Combine cake flour, sugar, and a pinch of salt, then whisk into yolks with milk and vanilla. Beat whites until glossy with cream of tartar, then fold in thirds to protect air. Let batter rest briefly to hydrate the flour, then scoop gently into molds and steam cook with a lid for tall, cloud-like pancakes. Control heat carefully and be patient to achieve height and even cooking throughout each pancake. Preheat the pan on low, use oil or butter sparingly, and place ring molds for consistent shape. Cover with a lid to trap steam and encourage rise, then flip once for a short time to finish the top. Remove gently, let rest for a moment, and serve warm with your choice of syrup, cream, or fruit.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.